Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find current password on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you forgot what your Instagram password is, you don't necessarily need to reset it. There are a couple different ways that you can find your current password. So the first thing that we'll do is open up Instagram, and this will give you a bit of a nudge on what your password is. So we'll tap the profile at bottom right, and the three lines at top right. Now let's tap on Account Center at the very top, and then we will tap on Password and Security midway down. Now tap on Change Password, and then choose a profile of which you want to find current password. Now the key thing here is that it doesn't give you what your current password is, but it does say when your password was last updated. So this might give you a little bit of a nudge or hint if, say, it was just changed a couple weeks ago. You could think, oh, I was probably using such and such password at that time. This might give you enough information to be able to guess what your current password is. But if you still don't know it, the other way that you can do it is hop out of here and we'll open up a web browser, Safari, Google Chrome, whatever you use, and we will type in Instagram.com. Now on here, we will tap the login button, and then we'll just tap on password here. And if you save your password, it will give you the option of autofill. Simply tap on that. You can see the button that says show here. So all you have to do is hit the show button, and then it'll show you exactly what your password is, so that you could log in on the Instagram app, a different device, anything like that. You can just hit show and then be able to get it. Now keep in mind, your password is stored potentially in different places. On this one, potentially it's stored in Google Chrome. It's also maybe stored on iPhone as well in the iCloud passwords. So check those different places to see if it is saved, and then you don't have to remember it or change anything like that. You can just find it and use it however you want. So that's basically how you can find current password on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.